Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it's currently like 10:07 at night, and I have school tomorrow, and it's Friday, so I don't care, and I'm sleeping with Courtney's anyway, so you know. Gang, gang. Wait. They want what my nephew does. 2 Chainz. Okay. I got my I don't do Mondays. My hand socks. And my best school ever. PPRD, Pants Problems D. Okay, so this video is dedicated to, I'm just kidding. I got my TV still on here, and the heater's running there because my room's cold as balls and I can't sleep. So, I am gonna make weird noises that I make all the time. And if you're Landon, Kyle, Carly, Jaden, or Malachi, you're gonna know every noise that I make because I make these in friggin' sped in 6th, 6th, and 8th period. Let's get on to the video. I made this college thing and I got yelled at like 4 times. So, ow! I just popped my freaking toe and it made a fart noise. Okay, but anyways. This was a terrible idea. Okay. I freaking hate myself right now. Hold on. Somebody asked me what one noise was. I didn't add a voice. Hold on. Okay, so I made the Pac-Man theme song, right? And that's what that was. I did it better a second ago. Okay, but anyways, I'm trying to think of that one actually did hurt. Has Adam Stitch from Ohana. Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind. That was my Stitch impression. And there's a funny story behind my Stitch impression. Like, that's the only one that I have a story behind. The other one was me being a goofball in freaking 7th and 8th period. I mean, 6th and 8th period. Okay. So, my stepmom, Shannon, used to work. I'm pretty sure she went back to work. Yeah. So, she had a boss, and her boss was really good at Stitch impression. And one day, I went to work with her, and she was like, hey, my boss knows how to do a Stitch impression. And I was being all shy and stuff, and then he did the Stitch voice, and I tried, and I sucked at first. I was like, yeah, like that. And now, our family means nobody gets left behind. You have to, like, mute out your voice, and then I forgot, I don't even know what I do, but I can do it. And it sucks, but people are like, oh my god, you sound just like Stitch. But you know what? My dog's name's Stitch, so you know what? If I sound like my dog, rough, dude. So, let's see. Ooh, I gotta do it. No! Oh, looks like I'm gonna have pink glitters on. Can't fix it, just big weird noises. Wait. I got lightheaded from that one. I'm a very talented dinosaur. So I'm tired now because that tired me out. I have a lighthead and I'm sleepy. And I gotta finish up on freaking the Blue Exorcist. So you know what?